Oh,
Professor, how serious is the threat of stagflation? Marami na nag-warning ng ganyan eh.
yeah.
Well, stagflation can happen if kung talagang ano no, yung wala pa tayong economic growth. Kaya nga we have to balance it na wag humina o bumagal yung ekonomiya kasi mataas na yung bilihin tapos mabagal na yung ekonomiya, walang trabaho, yan na magka-create ng stagflation. So we want to avoid that. So it's a balancing act of keeping the economy moving. Albeit mabagal, no? Definitely we will slow down significantly because of it. But hopefully, wag lang tayong magkapare like what happened during the pandemic na naging negative, severe negative contraction ang nangyari sa atin. So we
But,
don't, we want to avoid that.
yeah, I mean, there are already signs of this, Prof. Last week,
Yeah.
both the World Bank and the ADB cut its growth forecast for the Philippines. The World Bank cut it to 3.7% this year, which is very, very low, considering we started at 7% or so. And ADB naman cut it to 4.4% for the Philippines. At the same time, yung inflation from March came in at above 5%, 5.1%. So both lines are trending in the wrong direction. So we're starting to see signs of that. What do you think?
Ano pa yan? I mean, they don't necessarily mean we are going into stagflation. There is just a slowdown. You're seeing a slowdown of the economy, which is normal because of a shock that we are experiencing. The only thing you want to avoid, like I said, is don't go into contraction and a severe contraction, meaning continuous. No, during the pandemic, there was contraction, but the inflation was low. Dahil ano no, may mga produkto wala lang pambili yung mga tao. But at this point, our problem is high prices is going in and causing the economy to slow down. So you want to make sure that the high prices, like what the president was saying in his proposed measures kanina, yung mga measures, they're all to make sure that prices don't go up, the supply side don't go up very quickly or manage availability of supply as well. So yun yung critical elements that I guess if we manage this very well, we will still grow but substantially slower, and inflation can be managed as long as wag siyang pumunta sa pagkain, and that's where you hear the president, no, may mga sinabi siya about addressing the agricultural part of it.
Amy, did you have a...
Tumaas na nga yung fertilizer because of this problem,
Yeah.
Professor. And it's affecting the farm sector severely, no? Kaya ewan ko kung saan kung saan papunta yung anong yan.
Oh. Well, yung
We really
fertilizer
need to
kasi,
bring down fuel prices.
yeah.
We need to bring...
Yung
Ewan ko.
fertilizer kasi, we are not actually importing it from the Middle East. However, the
Affected
global
sa-
prices are reflecting the
Yeah.
shortage, no? And that's
Urea,
true.
yeah.
Totoo yun. Totoo.